What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna try something. I know y'all seen in my grocery haul, I had some liquid smoke. What I'm gonna do, I got some chicken here. So this chicken is frozen. So I'm gonna put a little bit of liquid smoke in here. About 4 drops. All right. Then I'm gonna put just about a couple tablespoons of water. And I thought about this, but I'm gonna also wrap it up with tin foil. And the reason I'm doing that is I want that water to stay as tightly, because when that chicken thaws out, it's gonna have water in it too. It always does. And that way, that chicken and that steam will stay in there. And I'm hoping this chicken is gonna come out with a smoke flavor. You know, being on a diet, you got to watch barbecue sauces because sugars, carbohydrates in it and stuff. So I'm hoping this is gonna give me an alternative to having that smoked barbecue flavor without all the other stuff. So we'll see how it turns out in a little while. Y'all be easy till then. Okay, YouTube, we're gonna check this chicken out. Hang on, let me pull that off. Woo. Got that thing sitting in the floor. Whoa. It smells like it's good to smoke. Ooh, it's hot. Sorry if I didn't. Ooh. I believe the chicken done. Gotta find something to stab it with. Oh yeah, it's done. Yeah, it's 100% done. Whatever it is. Let's see if it's got any smoke taste to it. Kind of hard to do that. I hope y'all see that. I couldn't see it. Let's see. Anything got enough smoke in it. What do I do with that stuff? Maybe got to put a good old dash in it. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna redo that. Alright, I put some stuff back in there. So see how much smoke we got to put in it. That there didn't have any smoke taste like I was wanting. I thought it might have been a little bit. So I went back and dashed. I mean, boom, boom, boom. And we'll see from there. All right, we'll check it out again. Dinner is done. Green beans, chicken. I had to put them all in the same bowl. Don't they be everywhere. But that smoke flavor, I cooked the chicken and the juice that was left over from the chicken, I dumped those green beans in it. And that smoke flavor tastes just like the ham hock. But I also put these minced onions like that in it. I put that in my slaw and stuff like that. That way I don't have to chop up onions all the time. Seems like, you know, once they suck the juice up, it gives it an onion flavor. And garlic salt too. But it tastes like the green beans had smoked ham hock and the chicken and all. Man, that turned out pretty good. That's all I can say for the smoke, liquid smoke. All right, everybody be good.